take out your lesson number 18, our industries. This box beta you do by your own. Here you have to again uh, just what you have to do, look around at your home or in the classroom, and you use different products and things over there. No, name at least four industries whose products you can see in your immediate environment. Okay, beta. Beside this agriculture, as we all know that most of the population of India is again engaged in agriculture activities, but then also industries are playing very important role in the growth of industries. Sorry, country. Actually, industries. What are the industries? Industries are related to the production of goods and services. Okay, they change the raw material into finished products that is of more value for the paper. Okay, and again, the things which are used in the production of goods is called raw material. Suppose when I am talking about this pencil, for making a pencil, the things which are used, that are raw material for this pencil. Finished goods beta are those like this pencil. Now it is a finished good. Okay, if this is a finished good, again these goods are produced to sell. Actually, the industries are actually produces and sells these things, finished goods. Okay, now industries, as we come to know that industry is an economic activity. Okay, industry refers to an economic activity that leads to the production of goods. Okay, extraction of minerals and provision of services. Okay, provision of services like tourism industries and all. Okay, now types of industries beta, there again we have classified the industries on the basis of their size. Capital means money invested. Okay, capital invested, money invested, and number of people employed in that, and volume means quantity of production over there. So first is our cottage industry, second is our small scale industry, and third is our large scale industry. Now cottage industries are very small industries beta. Here again the production of goods takes place in the houses of labor. And who is labor here? Again, workforce is the member. Labor again includes the member of the family. They produce beta again goods that with the help of traditional tools and machines. Okay, and again they are very means these cottage industries are very popular in rural areas. Some of the famous cottage industries in India are handloom weaving, then your carpet making, pickles, jams, candles, and papad making. Okay, most of all the members of the family are actively involved in the cottage industry. Basket weaving, pottery, handicrafts are other examples of cottage industries. Next comes beta are large scale industries. Beta again, large scale industries produce goods on a large scale, again to again cater the local market and sometime even to the this foreign markets also. Okay, again what are the characteristic? They operate on from large factories, and industrial units are using a heavy machineries, and they know the technical know-how. Okay, and again large it is a large industry. Definitely it needs a large amount of money. Okay, to again a large amount of money is invested in it, in a large scale industry, and they employed a hundred of workers. Now we are going to discuss about the large scale industry, some of the large scale industry. First is our iron and steel industry beta. Again basic industry, since the steel produced from iron. Again the iron and steel industry is a basic industry, since the steel produced from iron and steel plants are used in all other industries for manufacturing machineries. It is a heavy industry as both raw material and finished goods are bulky, so it's even other way also it is a heavy industry. Why? Because even the raw material is also very heavy, as well as the finished good, means the ready material is also very bulky. Iron and steel industry plants steel plants are mostly found in which area? East India, like steel plants in Durgapur, West Bengal, Bokaro, and Jamshedpur in Jharkhand, Bhilai in Chhattisgarh, and Rourkela in Odisha are very famous industries, or famous iron and steel industries. Next comes with our sugar industries. For making sugar, what we need? Sugar cane. So sugar cane is a raw material for the mills in India. Okay, so India ranks second in the production of sugar. Okay, remember, India ranks second in the production of sugar in the world. Okay, so the sugar mills are very, again, where they are located very close to the sugarcane fields, so that these this sugarcane can easily be available to them. Okay, then comes beta the states which are producing this: Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Punjab, Haryana, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. Next comes beta cotton and textile industry. Again, this cotton and textile is one of the oldest large scale industry beta. At the earliest stage, what happened? It was set up in Bombay. Okay, nowadays we are calling it Mumbai, and it lies in Ahmedabad region. Okay, this cotton textile industry maintains a close link with the agriculturalist for supply. Again, raw material is a cotton. Okay, for cotton textile industry, again cotton textile industry beta, the industry which are making cloths. Okay, so again this they are having a close link with the agriculturalists because they are producing it. Okay, for the supply of raw cotton. Most again and most of the common textile industry is located in which area? Maharashtra and Gujarat belt. Next comes our cement industry beta. As we all know, cement is again major requirement for the construction of buildings. Okay, uh, on large scale also, the major raw material of this industry are limestone, silica, gypsum, and alumina, apart from coal and electric power. Okay, this coal and electric power is also required, but we need this silica, gypsum, limestone, and aluminium. There is a huge demand for cement in India, that we all know. Okay, now next comes our railway equipment. Again, India manufactures railway coaches also beta, engines, wheels, in number of railway factories beta. Again, the electrical and this diesel locomotives are manufactured at which area? Shatranjan in West Bengal. Diesel locomotive, again here this electrical and diesel locomotives are manufactured in Chitranjan in West Bengal, and diesel locomotive in Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. These again this railway coaches are manufactured at Perambur in Chennai. Okay, then comes our information and technology. Information technology, again beta, new industry which is fast becoming popular in India nowadays beta. This industry actually deals with the storage, processing, and distribution of information, means your data. Okay, the major hubs of IT industries in India are Bengaluru, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Chennai, this Pune, Gurugram, Chandigarh, and Chennai. Other industries beta are some other industries are your agro based industries. Again, which these industry use plants and animal based products as their raw materials. Okay, this is the reason they are called agro based industries. Here comes your food processing, vegetable oil, cotton, textile, dairy products are the examples of agro based industries. Now here comes your mineral based industries. Here we beta are using the mineral ore as their raw material. For example, iron is made from the iron ore. Next comes our forest based industry. These industry again use the forest products, forest produce, sorry, as a raw material. Okay, for example, paper industry, pharmaceutical, furniture industries, etc. In case of this furniture industry, we are using the this wood which comes from forest. Then for pharmaceutical, we are making the medicine again, which are organic medical this medicines which are used, which are made from the forest herbs. Again, marine based industries, beta, you are again use products which comes from sea and ocean, and they are taking these products as a raw material. Example are seafood or sea fish oil processing industries. But this was all. So in next video we'll do the question answers and back exercise. Thank you, beta.